Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, big up your damn bumbleclot self. You hear that?
The new thing now, if we get show, if we call back everybody name and mix up. You look like at that. You look like at the new thing. Pay me that get me show them. I don't know about you if you're hungry or what. But you just come out from what the air, just call up people name. And my girl, you bleach. You wear makeup all the while. You know righteous? Why you come out and leave LadySaw alone? If the woman want to come back out and dance, the woman come out and me call her out, what do you mean? Never come out, come tell her, say, Lord, LadySaw, I'm glad you come back. I know me never bother say nothing, but just love it. Because I know so the woman will come back. Leave the woman in peace now. What? Should I book you for some fest? You vex? Leave the woman alone, my girl. Leave the woman alone and leave everybody name alone. You just call everybody like, yes, so you call me name and you want hype. So me call back your name. My girl, you are lesbian more than we. Because at 20 baby mother told me about him choose you because you look like a man because you have fucked the girl them. Yeah? The one of the girl them, you was the bravest one to fuck the girl them. So him keep you. The freak, the top freak. So you can't trick nobody or trick people. The told me about and him pick them never. Come talk about your life, man. Pick the beam out of your eye before you pick out you come trouble people, my girl. Be careful of how you trouble people. You come on internet and call people name like you not a sense and them. So, my girl, go get a life, man. You have some top song. You're top international artist. And you come on internet desperate, my girl. Eh? You come on internet desperate. This is what you want. Sure? You want to go on some fest like so? Or what? What you want? Eh? You say last year them say me go flap a alkaline show and me go prove myself. My girl go prove herself and show them something man and do song and leave people alone. You understand? Leave people alone. You just get up from a day up on TikTok like you're hungry and nothing for the my girl. We're busy here. The cock runners are going to fuck one cock or something, man. How about the blood clot there, my girl? Come like something wrong with you. You understand? Me up on live right now, and me up on the live right now, because that the Rasta girl, she needs to get a this thing. Me up on live. Yeah, man, me up on live because since me come like she not a lesbian or not this like who are me or that girl don't know nothing about me. She don't know nothing about me. QueenIfrica, you don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about me. Me don't know about the beating them where you get from Tony Rebel. You get how much beating, big kick and backs all about. Me not catch a people yard, me not catch a man yard. Me independent no blood clot. What do you? When somebody have to beg for staying at the house. You understand? So they have to beg for stay and beg him and him family them not like and him people them not like him. My girl, talk about yourself. Don't come here, come call people name. Don't call decent people name, my girl. Stop call people name and relax yourself, my girl. From when you just get up and just live pan LadySaw. All if you live good as woman, you just come and bring down woman. You don't look good. You come and bring down the female them, my girl. Stop come bring down the woman artists them. And leave we alone because we well there so we want to make money. Stop bring down the woman artists them. You understand? You come and go like my girl that can't stop me. You understand? Just relax yourself here and don't make me have to just take off all of my clothes them and strip. Because nobody never see me get mad yet. Just leave me alone. When you do your mix up them, if you go up on internet and you feel like you want somebody calling them, don't call my one. Don't call my one and you mix up them. You hear me tell you because I never take no man for you. I don't take no man for you, I don't take no girl for you either, my girl. I don't fuck no girl for you, I don't fuck no man for you. So QueenIfrica, allow me out of your mix up. Please, may I beg you. There?